What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Nikki here, and in today's video we're going to be going over my investing goals for 2022, and that's nutty to say, honestly, but you already know the drill. Let's get it.
Ooh, big bag. You not talking money, you can miss me with the chit chat. I'm not with the rah-rah or the rip.
So you guys already know it's December, okay? It's the end of a year, and we all kind of get in this mood at the end of every single year to get excited about and start thinking about the things that we want to accomplish in the next year. And quite frankly, my list of goals for my life just in general is a lot longer than what I'm going to be going over today. Today is specifically just about my investing goals for next year, where I want my dividend portfolio to go, but also my WeBull account and what my goals are for that as well. And you guys, let's stop talking. Let's get into the video. Let's go over my dividend portfolio goals, you guys, because I got some big ideas for this one. I'm pretty excited for it. But, you know, I tried to break it down in realistic chunks, but yet goaly enough to be kind of like, you know, push myself. So you can let me know in the comments if you think I'm unrealistic. But you guys, here's the goal for the dividend portfolio. Is a minimum of $400 invested every single month. Before, in my kind of journey with this investing thing, I really was throwing as much as I possibly could. And that was really my game plan. Like, whatever I could do, I was putting in there. If it was $800 a month, $1,000, if it was $200, whatever it was, I was just doing as much as possible. But this upcoming year, I really want to have a budget. I really want to have a plan of attack. And so $400 a month minimum is what I will be doing every single month for the entire year of 2022. Obviously, I will be investing into dividend stocks and dividend stocks only into my portfolio. I will continue to reinvest the dividends I currently have. Obviously, that's kind of a given, but I will put it down as a goal is to just continually reinvest those dividends. Another goal is to hit my first month of at least $100 paid out in dividends, which I'm very close, and I think I'm going to be able to hit that in 2022 for sure, maybe even more, who knows, but that definitely is a goal. It's a milestone I'm trying to reach, and it's on the list, so we're putting it on the list, and that's that. The last goal that I'm going to have for the dividend portfolio that I mentioned in my dividend stocks to buy in 2022 video, which I will link down in the first comment below. You could check it out after this video if you want to, but that's going to be purchasing one share of AbbVie every single month. So by the end of the year, I should increase my holdings by a minimum of 12 shares of AbbVie. Now, let's look at this a little bit. If I were to do $400 a month minimum in my portfolio, that's around $4,800 over the course of the year that I will be investing into my portfolio. If I reinvest all of my dividends every single month, which they vary, quite frankly, and they're going to continue to grow as I continue to add to this portfolio. But let's just say I'm average $55 a month in dividends. So we have the 400 month, we have the average of 55 in dividends. Let's say I get a return of 8%, which it could be anywhere between 6 to 10%. It could be anywhere from 0 to negative percentages. I mean, we don't know, okay? But on average, the market returns between 6 and 10%. So let's go right in the middle. Let's say 8%. And that's also kind of hard to do when you continue to add money into it. If I was like, okay, I'm not adding anything, and let's see what 8% gives me at the end of the year. But since I will be adding, the math is, you know, I'm not a mathematician. I'm doing the best I can with an iPad, a pencil, and a freaking calculator, okay? But let's say I do all of that. That will leave me around $33,500 of portfolio value at the end of 2022. Now, I have been kissing the 25K mark for 2 months now, and the red days in the market definitely are not helping me. If I could get a few greens, like 1 or 2 or 3 green days, I would be over 25K, but that's just how the market works. It is what it is. I'm not too concerned about it. But also, if you want and you're interested, make sure you are subscribed, because I will be going over my entire portfolio once I hit that milestone. That gives me a decent number of where, like, if I was talking, you know, realistically, the 33,500 number would be a very possible thing for me to reach by 2022. But this is about goals, okay? This is about pushing ourselves. And so I am going to make the goal of getting my dividend portfolio to a minimum of $40,000 by the end of 2022. So that means in the course of 2022, I need to be side hustling, okay? The side hustles that I do take on, I need to make sure that they're monetized and they are increasing in the income every single month. Second thing is my salary. I need to get a raise. I need to get a promotion. I need to ask for a little bit more money. I need to make more money somehow within my day job. And then just any extra task that I could possibly do. If I'm gonna go walk somebody's dog, if I'm gonna house sit, if I'm gonna watch my sister, whatever it is, however I can make money somehow. Although I don't really want to, you know, I watch my sister because I love her. Damn. Out here like a savage. I'm pretty excited because I'm going to look back when I make this same video for 2023. I'm going to see where I was at. Then let's talk about the trading account, the WeBull accounts. And you guys already know, you guys watch more than just my stock videos. I know that. So you guys know that we have referral links. We have codes for these accounts, for these brokers. Down in the description box below, you can use my link, sign up, put some money in there, get some free stocks. It helps you, helps me. That's enough of that pitch. You already know. You know how I feel about keeping your stuff separate, okay? So I have a separate trading account because the dividend portfolio, like, we're not touching this, okay? We're setting, we're forgetting, we're adding into that, and that's that. Out of sight, out of mind kind of thing. But the trading account is a different situation. And when I tell you that I am going to be tackling this trading stuff so hard in 2022, mark my damn words, I'm going to get it figured out. And that's a little bit scary for me to say because the last few months, like literally the last 3 months, the whole course of me doing the Journey to an Options Trader kind of series on the channel, which I will continue to do so. And if you're interested in seeing that, I'll link the playlist down in the first comment as well. But I have been literally stuck between around a $2,200 and a $2,500 portfolio for the last 3 months. Two things from that. First thing is, congrats to me. I guess I didn't blow my entire account over the last 3 months. I guess that's cool. But second thing is, holy shoot, I have not grown any damn money, haven't made any damn money, lost a little bit of money, and that's a little bit frustrating. So who am I to think that I'll be able to do this in 2022? But you know what? That's what it's about, okay? We set goals and we strive for them. And I'm telling you, this portfolio is going to get a lot of attention. Now, the goals for this one are going to be more monthly and quarterly than they are like account value, just because for me, the process of this, the journey of trading and learning how to do it successfully far outweighs the money, because when you focus on the process, focus on bettering yourself, the money will follow. But that's a big part of it. Discipline, self-growth, all this stuff, meditation, mental health, the whole shebang. We are on a journey to get better. So the first thing, I will be journaling every single day that I trade. I'm not gonna, have a horrible day and be like, oh, I'm so pissed, I'm not gonna journal what I did wrong. No, we're gonna do it every single day so we can learn from our mistakes. Second thing I'm gonna do, 10 to 15 minutes every single day, whether that's before market opens, in the middle of the day, right before bed, when I'm on the toilet, I don't know. A visualization. I'm going to visualize myself being successful in trading, having a successful life, having what it is that I want. Third thing is I'm going to read a minimum of 6 books that are directly related to stock trading, whether it's actually trading as in technical analysis or it's trading as in master psychology of your mind, of the human behavior, the whole shebang, which honestly would probably help me regardless. And then the last thing is consistency and profitability. Now, I am going to break it down quarterly. So by the end of Q1 or during Q1, my goal is to be in a place where I am making on average $150 to $200 every day in my trading session. So that's about $750 to $1,000 a week, okay? So from January to the end of March, that's the goal. Quarter 2, April to June, the average daily goal is $250 to $350. Quarter 3, the average goal is going to be $350 to $500, and quarter 4 is going to be $500 to $750 on average every single day. So ideally, by this time next year, I'm making anywhere between $500 to $750 a day on my winning days. Now, also, why I'm going to focus pretty heavy on this, because I want to get this account to $25,000 as quickly as possible, but also I understand it's a journey, so I'm not like too worried about it. But 25K, once I hit the 25K mark, I will take weekly profits at that point. I'm not going to take any money out to like buy anything, to invest it into the dividend portfolio, nothing like that until the 25K is hit. Final thing I want to mention about investing, and these are my investing goals, is I did make a video not too long ago talking about my investment in my therapy, and I will continue to be doing that throughout 2022. Hopefully, I won't have to go every single week, but as of at least the beginning of 2022, that's what we're doing, and that is an investment. So that's a big, hefty investment, but it's extremely worth it. It's only going to help me with every aspect of my life. You guys already know how I feel about that. But you guys, I just feel so different about going into 2022. The last couple years I've had like, okay, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna hustle, I'm not gonna stop, I'm gonna go. But then I realized like taking care of yourself, your mental health, really slowing down, focusing, being the present, cherishing everything. 2022, I'm gonna push hard, but I'm going to prioritize myself, and I am on a serious self-growth journey for 2022, and I cannot wait to look back at this damn video and see where the heck I made it. But you guys, I want to know what you guys want to crush in 2022. We're almost there, okay? It's almost Christmas. It's the whole shebang. We're getting there. So I want to know down in the comments below what you're tackling for 2022. If it's stock or not stock related, whatever. I mean, I have a lot of other goals, but we're not going to talk about those, at least not yet. Maybe I'll make another video in a couple weeks. If you could smash a thumbs up, okay? Cheer your girl on. If you're going to be here for the whole journey and the whole process throughout 2022, make sure you are subscribed. Hit that NB in the bottom corner or the red subscribe button. Join the crew. Also, if you made it this far, you already know that you are my most favorite people in the entire world. If you're interested in actually watching that video of the dividend stocks I feel like you should be buying in 2022, go ahead and watch this right here. You guys, you already know. If you made it this far, I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.